Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your Telegram stars with friends, not by direct transfer, but by sending gifts or premium subscriptions straight from your star balance. By the end of this video, you'll know how to put those stars to good use, surprise someone with a fun reward, and really understand how the Telegram star system works. So if you've been scratching your head wondering how to send your friend those stars you've collected, this is for you. Let's dive right in. Here's something important to know up front. Telegram doesn't allow you to simply transfer a specific number of your stars directly to another person's star balance. Instead, what you can do is use your stars to send a gift, like a fun sticker set or even a few months of Telegram Premium, directly to that user. It's more like gifting a present than handing over cash, and honestly, it feels a lot more special. Alright, let's walk through how to do this from your computer using Telegram Desktop. First, open up Telegram and head to your settings. This is your control center for all your account details and customization, and it's also where you'll find your star balance. It might take a moment to spot, but look for a menu item called Send a Gift. Give that a click. This is your gateway to making someone's day. When you click Send a Gift, Telegram will present you with a few different options. Here you get to choose exactly what kind of gift you'd like to send. You'll see things like fun sticker packs, collectible emojis, or the Holy Grail, a Telegram Premium subscription. You can select how many months of premium you want to gift, like 3, 6, or 12 months. Think of it like giving a subscription to your favorite magazine, but for enhanced Telegram features instead. After you've picked out the perfect gift, Telegram will show you the cost in stars. This is where your star balance comes in. Double check that you have enough stars. If you're a bit short, don't worry, the app will let you know. If you're all set, go ahead and confirm the purchase. This uses your existing stars, no extra payment required. Now here's a nice touch. You can add a personal message to go along with the gift. Maybe a cheerful congrats for a friend's birthday, a thank you for someone who helped you out, or just a fun emoji to brighten their day. This part is optional, but it's a chance to make your gift feel really personal. Sometimes a simple note goes a long way in making someone smile, and that's it. Once you send, the recipient will receive your thoughtful gift, paid for with your star balance. If you're worried about making a mistake along the way, take your time. Telegram has a pretty user-friendly interface, and you can always back out before confirming any purchase. Remember, you aren't sending stars directly, you're using them to send a gift, which in my opinion is even better. It's like sending a box of chocolates instead of just the money to buy them. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if something didn't work as expected, let me know in the comments. I always do my best to reply and help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials and tech tips so you don't miss anything new. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.